Hello friends, let us start with the mail merge today. In this video tutorial we are going to do mail merge in Microsoft Office. So first of all we are just discuss about mail merge. Mail merge is a technique according to which you can print number of letter copies with the linked fields using database. In the mail merge wizard, option is a mailings, and in mailings we have start mail merge. There will be a step-by-step mail merge wizard. So what is there? We have number of options: letters, email, messages, envelope, labels, dictionary. Okay, which kind of option? If you choose directory, there labels, envelopes, you will be there. Go for the letter and go to next. Now we have the another three options. So if you want to start this letter as a mail merge document, you will be choose the current document. Suppose you have any template or you download any template from microsoftoffice.com, you will be go here and select that template. Okay, and if you have the start from existing document, suppose you have any other document, you will be in the list of document, you can open that document. Done if you have. So we are going for the current document and we go to the next. So again we have the option. In this option we are adding our addresses. So there are three different options. If you are used any existing list, suppose you have any Excel list format, you go here and choose select your Excel file if you have the details or database file. But if you are not here, you will be using synchronized with your system by Outlook contacts, then you go to select here. And if you want to write a new list, you will be go here and go to create. For this create, we have a number of fields as you see here. Go for the columns, delete all these mentioned fields because I want my on fields here. Okay, I am deleting here all the fields. So when I delete all fields, now I am going to add my on fields. Like I am add my friend name here. After that I am going to add address. After that I am going to add city. I am going to add PIN code. And here I am going to add contact. These 5 fields are now here. I am going to have OK. When you press OK, what you get, these all are the fields here. And now the next step, we are going to move here, writing some data inside of this. So in the name, I am writing the name here. Like this one. I am writing the city here. In code are numbers. So in the contact number I am writing something like this. My second field is there. These are my sample records. And now what is the benefit of these records? What I am writing here, you can store these records and these are permanently stored in your system. Like if you next time write any kind of letter there, now you no need to write these records. These records are permanent present there. But after these records you should save here. Like I am saving here a list name. Birthday invitation. So this is my database list name and I go to OK. When you press OK, again a window is appeared here and you can see this is the data source and these are all the contents. All these fields are connected to my data source. If you not want any value, you will be unmark that value that is not present into the list. I am going with all my values and press OK. Now the next step we are writing here, write a letter. So what I want, I want address on the top. I go to more items. In the more items, I am adding here the address, city, pin code, and contact. So what you see, you get all these words are there which I am writing previously in my database. You can format these by select this. These are in the bold. Now I am going here. I write my letter like I am writing here. After dear I want my friend name. Go here, insert name. After that comma, and you will go to again format if you want. In the mail merge formatting, what I am doing here, that is not mandatory. If you write your letter already, you can merge your fields directly from database. Now I am writing first. So this one is the invitation letter to all my friends. Just I write this line, whatever you want to write, you will be see the page is there. This is the one page, okay? So now I am going to next step. So in the next step, what you see, when I go to the next, my one field is available there. Okay, my first field is available. But what I want to print my 3 different letters with my all my records. Go to complete the merge, edit individual, and you will be choose all here. Go for OK. Now what you see, you will be get all your letters. Okay. Thank you for watching, friends. This is the mail merge in Microsoft Word.